So for x in the following equation, so we got log base x plus 1 of 4a is equal to b. Okay, so we could use this equation here. So log of base b of a is equal to log of a, log base 10, over log base 10 of b. Okay, so we could use that to separate this thing out. But I'm liking my new thing here. I'm just going to take this thing to the power of that. So x plus 1 to the power of both sides here. And now that's going to annihilate this thing because it's the same base. So I'm left with 4a is equal to x plus 1 all to the power of b. And I know how to get rid of that thing. I'm just going to take this to the power of 1 over b, because I'm multiply these is going to give me 1. So this thing has to be to the power of 1 over b. So now I'm going to be left with x plus 1. I'm going to flip the equation. That's going to be cancel is equal to 4a to the power of 1 over b. Okay, now I'm going to subtract 1. So x is equal to 4 I'm just thinking if I should bring this thing in, but I'm going to leave them out because it looks nicer out. Minus 1. And there we go. You could have done this as well. You could have done this as well, and it would have worked out. Let's just do it real quick. We can do it real quick. So it's going to be log. Let's hope I can do the same thing here. So a is equal to log of x plus 1 is equal to b. Okay, I bring that over here, bring that over there. So I'm going to be left with log of x plus 1 is equal to log of 4a over b, just b. Right? That's right. Yep, that's right. And then we're going to take this to the power of 10, to the power of 10. That is canceled, so I'm left with x plus 1 is equal to 10 to the power of, oh boy, here we go. So really this is going to be 10 to the power of log of 4a all to the power of 1 over b, right? It's the same thing, right? Because it's to the power of this whole thing, and I can separate that out because it's multiplication. So it's multiplied. This is log of 4a is multiplied by 1 over b, so I can bring that out to the outside brackets. Now 10 to the power of log base 10 is equal to just 4a. So now I'm just left with x plus 1 is equal to 4a to the power of 1 over b, and now that looks pretty familiar. So now x is equal to 4a to the power of 1 over b minus 1. And there is the exact same answer. Boom!